Good morning, students of class 3. It's your science class, and today we will continue our chapter 8, that is solid, liquid and gas. And first we will do checkpoint. So match the following and it will be face to face. First, solid. Solid does not change shape. Water vapor. Water vapor is gaseous state of water. Liquid. Liquid can flow. Matter. Matter has weight and occupies space. Ice. Ice is the frozen form of water. Now just do it in your copy and learn it. Keywords. Number 1 is matter. Matter, what is matter? Anything that has mass and takes up space is called matter. Matter are found in 3 forms, that is solids, liquids and gas. Okay, so first solids. What is solid? Things that have definite shape and size. They cannot flow. We can hold solid in our hand. As for example, table, chair, book, copy, blackboard, etc. Now the liquids. Liquids, things that do not have definite shape and size and can take up the space of container. They can flow easily. We cannot hold liquids in our hand. Okay, as for example, milk, water, tea, juice, etc. Now the gases. What are gases? Things that do not have definite shape and size and can take up the available space. We cannot hold gases in the hand. It can flow easily. We cannot see gases because it is invisible. We can only feel gases. As for example, water vapor, air and other gases as like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. We cannot see these gases. We can only feel them. Now the next one is freezing. What is freezing? The process in which a liquid changes to solid on cooling is called freezing. It means on cooling, liquid changes into solid. As for example, on cooling, water changes into ice. Now the next one is melting. The process in which a solid changes into liquid upon heating, or on heating solid changes into liquid is called melting. As for example, on heating, ice changes into water. Now the next one is evaporation. The process of changing from liquid to gaseous state upon heating is called evaporation, or the process of liquid changes into gaseous form on heating is called evaporation. As for example, when water is heated, it changes into water vapor. Now the next one is condensation. What is condensation? The process of changing from gaseous state to liquid upon cooling is called condensation, or on cooling, gases changes into water is called condensation. As for example, when water vapor changes into water on cooling is called condensation. Now we have learned these words. So learn these all. That's all for today. Thank you.